my channel already, my name is Chloe Roberts and I'm with Brody Jenkins today.
Hello.
She's just done my makeup look for today, so if you can see, we're going to be showing you exactly how I achieved this look. My last couple of videos, I had this look on in my Q&A, I think it was. You guys have all requested to see that, so I got Brody back in to come do it for us. You can see exactly how we created the look. Enjoy!
Starting with a cleanse and a moisturize on Chloe. It's just gonna prep the skin, make sure everything goes on well, lasts all day. Now I'm going in with the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I always do eyes first. In case we get any fallout, I like to be able to clean that up. I'm just going to use this as an eye primer today. Bring that all over her eyelid. Today we're doing like a warm tone, kind of sparkly eye, peachy cheeks. Just starting with a little bit of Makeup Geek Creme Brulee. It's our transition shade through the crease. Gonna add a little bit of shape to the eye. Just taking a fluffy brush and going straight in little circular motions. I'm adding a little bit more depth to the eye now. I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Morocco, which is like a reddy kind of brown shade. Keeping that more so on the outside of the eye and putting it a little bit through the crease. For flawless blending is a mixture of circular motion going back and forth. I'm just going in with this Inglot shade here now. Never kind of saw it as a career though, it was more a hobby. When I was in doing year 12, so I've been with my boyfriend 5.5 years. He told me, you love makeup, you need to work in makeup, you need to do something with it.
I love that he said that.
Yeah, he was pretty much
melts my heart.
Got me into it. He like pushed me a little bit. He's like, you love it, I can see your passion. Good. Just got a clean brush now with Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear, and I'm just going in. This is just similar shade to the one we just used, but a bit deeper. I started about April 2014 taking on a few clients. I was really cheap, I was like 40 bucks. And I hadn't done a course or anything, but I just really wanted to kind of get a taste for makeup. I decided once I finished school, I would go and do my diploma of specialist makeup services. And when I finished school, went straight into that in the next January, the January to the July, working all the way through then, like running my own business, doing makeup. Then when I finished, during that 6 months from that July to that December to do makeup, if I failed, then I'd go and get a job. Once I was qualified, like business just went boom. It all started with like a passion for my own, but now it's like I would love doing other people more than myself. Yeah. Now I'm just going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Henna.
I remember seeing your page, like I honestly think it was like 3 years ago.
Yes, I remember you came, one of your friends got their makeup
Georgia,
done.
Yeah,
the Inglot 94 gel liner. I'm just going to use this to cut out the crease a little bit and use this as a base for the glitter we're going to use. If you're not a fan of glitter, you don't have to put glitter, you can just do this and then leave it as is. In the makeup industry now, it's so much more like this standard of what people expect of you so much higher, because people can do good basic looks themselves. Yeah. So people expect, you know, if you're a makeup artist, you gotta be a magic performer pretty much.
Girls these days are incredible though, like the amount of like how they do their makeup and everything, it's just...
People are so good.
It's also about having the products.
Products,
like brushes,
tools, makes a massive difference.
What brushes do you use?
I've got a mixture, like my favourite would be Zoeva. And I've got base the eyes down, so yeah, as I said, you could leave this here if glitter's not your thing, but we're going to add a bit of glitter today. Every time you're using a loose pigment or a glitter, you want some sort of sticky base so that it sticks down. So we're going to go with the Too Faced glitter glue on the eyes first, which is just going to help make sure that the glitter's going to stay on her lids all day. The glitter, we're using the Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, or OCC, in the colour beige. You don't need too much glue either, because if you overdo it with the glitter glue, it can turn into a mess. Do one eye at a time, because you want to work quickly with the glitter glue or it will dry pretty quick. Go in and pat that wherever you want your glue to be. Your glitter, sorry. Always match to neck and body rather than your face. I'm naturally really fair. When you're more fair as well, you get more redness and stuff kind of peek through. I find in my face I can get a lot of redness, but my neck's nowhere near as red. Just to go and match to my face, I would look so pink compared to the rest of my body. Are you naturally fair or are you naturally olive?
I'm fair. Like I go really, really white in winter. But in summer I tan. What's your personal like favourite foundations to use?
In my kit, I have the one I use the most, probably Nasty Glow. It can work for oily skin, it can work for dry skin, combo skin, sensitive skin, and it's very versatile. Like you can keep it natural and luminous, or you can build it up and make it more of a full coverage. Bit of glitter fallout here, so I'm just going in with my cotton pad that I used earlier with a bit of the Garnier micellar water and just cleaning that up. I'm just going in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer to prime Chloe's skin. Nice and hydrated. She's got really good skin. Taking Nashi Glow in the shade Stromboli. Bottle Rock sponge, and I'm gonna put this on her face.
I think my favourite place that because I've only been to Thailand, Bali and Hawaii.
Yeah,
but
I love Hawaii. That'd be amazing.
Hawaii was just incredible. How do we know each other and how did you hear of each other? Well, I heard of you through makeup, obviously, and we know each other.
I don't even know how, I just knew you through, like, always seeing Instagram and stuff. You knew Hannah Orville, and I used to know Mitch when I was younger. So I don't know, I just somehow knew you. Then you came here with your friend.
Yeah, that's so funny. Yeah, and then Georgia, obviously.
Yeah. In with a little bit of MAC Pro Longwear Concealer under her eye, just to brighten. I feel like I've known, like not personally, but even before you came here, I knew who you were.
Yeah, I know. It's so funny though, because like I know so many people on like Instagram and stuff I've never met in person, and I'm like, I know them. Yeah, I just feel like I know them. It's just so funny. Always in your makeup, and you do everyone around this area.
So many people.
Oh my god!
Every time I go to Eastland, hello.
Yes,
so many clients.
It would be so hard. You get a lot of people that will just like, come in and bitch about, you know, other people that you know. Yeah. It's hard.
You kind of have to be a therapist.
You just kind of don't know what to say there because it'll get back to them somehow.
I know. That's why I just kind of remain civil. I just listen to it, but I don't make a comment.
We just had a camera malfunction.
Bit of a malfunction.
It died, so you missed a lot of what we did. We got up to concealer, and then now we've done like airbrushing,
bronzer, contour, blush, highlight, and I've just started going under the eyes.
So
and brows.
So much. And brows.
So, Talk through what I used and like what I did anyway. For the airbrush, I was explaining, it's just, I can do a little bit on your neck just to show, but it's with this little gun here. I use the Temp2 silicone-based airbrush foundation. The benefits of airbrushing the foundation on, it just helps you make your makeup sweat-proof, waterproof, transfer-proof, just a little bit more flawless and long wearing. And last time I did Chloe's makeup, she was peeling a little bit, and it's just so much better if you're dealing with peeling or skin issues like that.
Yeah, I was peeling from Ilden and it was not good. It was like everywhere.
Just kind of turn it on, little gun, press down, push that air, and then like push back, the product comes out. So I'm just showing on the neck here, but when I was doing it, I kind of went around her whole face and did the whole face. We do the base layer of the NARS and then airbrush on top. Set her whole face in place with Ben Nye Neutral Set Translucent Powder and this powder brush. When I set the face, I just press like that, never swipe. Here, we've done a little bit of contouring with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Then we went in with MAC Gimme Sun bronzer to bronze her up, make her a bit sun-kissed on her cheeks and forehead. Then a little bit of MAC Malva blush to add that peachiness to her cheeks, kind of going with the eyes. And I've gone in with the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlight on her cheeks, down her nose and Cupid's bow. She has really great natural brows. For the brows, I just used a tiny bit of the Sigma Light Brow Powder and feathered that through her brows, keeping them fluffy still, but not too full on. This is what we're up to. Under her eyes, just gone in with a little bit of this colour here. You can kind of see that colour and that colour. And so under the eyes, while we're doing a little bit under there, is to really make Chloe's eyes pop. We're using the more orangey tones under the eyes to bring out the blue, because oranges bring out blues. Keeping it not too dark, because we've already got the intense kind of glitter going on. Keeping the under eyes not overdone, but just enough to make them pop. Very abbreviated way, that's what we were up to.
Yeah, it sucks.
We answered a few questions, but we don't know what's
so we're just going to try and go through them like as quick as we can. Yeah. Recommended palettes.
I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. Bit of colour, it's a more colourful one. If you like colour, you'll love this palette. It's amazing, the eyeshadows are really good. If they came out with like a neutral palette with this formula, I would buy it because it's awesome. I always recommend if someone wants a palette, go to like Inglot like this one, Makeup Geek or Anastasia Beverly Hills and make your own. Like an Inglot, $100 you can make your own palette with 10 shades, and then it's 10 shades you choose that you like, that you know you'll use.
Works for you.
So it's better.
What's your favourite makeup brand?
Inglot. Using a little bit of, speaking Inglot Sparkle Dust right now. in the number 2, and I'm probably on her inner corner. Putting a little bit of this on her brow bone too. Now I'm just going to do like a little thin line of top liner on Chloe. I'm using the Inglot 77 black gel liner, a really thin Inglot angled brush. The Michael Todd Honey and Oat cleanser, it's an organic one. It's just awesome because I've tried heaps of cleansers and they don't get all your makeup off.
Yeah.
Whereas this one's really good, gets all your makeup off.
I use Skin Institute. Skin Institute's my
I've
favorite.
heard really good stuff about them.
Yeah.
Never tried anything.
And
else.
all their moisturizers, like I live by them. Their normal skin is what I use on a day-to-day basis, and I use that like 3 times a day.
I'm going to take a little pencil brush that I use under her eyes and smoke out that top liner a little bit, just to add that little bit of pop to the eyes without like adding heaps of black eyeshadow.
How do you overcome feeling nervous or embarrassed about posting YouTube videos?
We're just both saying how when we were in high school when we started, it was the hardest because people you know like around you make comments, little sneaky remarks. I can remember like people making a status about me. As we're saying, you just have to back yourself. All the negativity, as I was saying before too, if someone doesn't have the balls to say something to your face, or you don't even know who they are but they know who you are, then you're one up on them.
And they're commenting on your photo, they're giving you the energy, you're not giving them the energy, so definitely one up on them.
A bit of mascara over Chloe's lashes and a bit on her bottom.
Is it okay putting makeup on your nose ring?
I was saying, if I am doing a client with a nose ring, I'll just kind of do makeup over. If you try and avoid it, you're just going to end up with a little patch with no makeup.
I always put makeup over it anyway. You're not supposed to necessarily, but yeah. I do.
You can't really.
Yeah, you can't. It's always, oils are always going to get into the area anyways, like whether or not you're putting it directly on it or not, as long as you clean it afterwards. Worst client story.
Situations, I guess. I don't come for anybody. Oh, where did I throw it? I'll tell you this. I'm just like thinking about it. Briefly touch on this because she was actually a really lovely girl. This girl's makeup. Finished her. I take appointments by the hour. I'm just using the Model Rock 259. I'm gonna focus. Lashes on Chloe. All my worst clients happened last year actually. I remember the day, but I'm not going to say exactly what time. I don't want to like give things away. She came in at 1 o'clock and then I'd finished her by like 1:40. Asked her like, especially when I'm doing a girl that's still in school, I'm very thorough. Like, if you don't like it, you can tell me. If there's something you want to change, please tell me. Makeup is an opinion, not a fact. I can do something you think is beautiful, but someone else might not like it because it's just not them. You can't take offense if someone's not happy. She'd go, yeah, I'm happy. She went off. I had another client, say at 2 o'clock, and at 2:30, there's a knock on the door, and I'm like, oh, weird. In the door, first thing I'm like shitting myself because I'm like, oh my god, I've double booked. My worst nightmare.
Yeah, that's so scary.
Very scary. It's her mum, and her mum's like, oh, so-and-so's in the car crying, she hates her makeup. My front door is like right where my kitchen is. So you can imagine, you know when I worked in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I've got a client sitting there and then they can hear everything this woman's saying to me at the door. So I'm like, all right, well, tell me what she hates about her makeup. Like, break it down. She can't just say, I hate everything. There's got to be a component about it you really don't like. She doesn't like the foundation. Like, she thinks it's too dark. And this girl, like, had a bit of colour to her skin. Like, okay, well, look, I've got a lunch break after this client. She can come back and I can redo her base. Has she said anything about the eyes or anything? And she's like, no, she hasn't said anything bad about the eyes. Trying to guilt trip me, I guess, like, oh, she's just crying, she's so upset. Like, you can see I have another client here, like I can't come out to the car and see it. And then I'm like, well, you come back on my lunch break and I'll fix it up. And she's like, oh no, we have to get to the hair. Can we just get a refund? And
oh my god.
I was like, oh, like I've never been asked for a refund before because.
And what did you say?
You said she hasn't said anything bad about my eye makeup. Is she going to be wearing my eye makeup that I've done on her to her event? And I'm not giving you a full refund then if she's going to partially wear my makeup. I gave her like a half refund.
You shouldn't have even given her that.
Like if I didn't have any other clients, I would have gone out to the car and spoke to this girl.
Yeah, spoken to her about it. But you had a client, it was just like.
Yeah, I had a client and I was like, oh, this is awkward, my other client's right there, it's encroaching on their appointment, I just kind of need to get rid of this person. This is funny looking back. So I had this woman, I don't give a shit if she watches this because she deserves it. Like, she deserves it.
That's
she
so funny.
Asked me to do her wedding. Oh my god, it would be the 18th of November, she'd be getting married this Sunday. This Sunday. Happy wedding, doll. She asked me to do Sundays and one day I take off a week. Just going over the glue with a bit of liner to hide it. She sends me a message. I should actually get it up. I don't care if she sees it. She probably messaged me about a year ago to make up for her wedding. She told me her date and then I was like, oh look, I'm really sorry. I don't work Sundays. Oh, no problem. Thank you anyway. This is a year in advance. You've got plenty of time to find another makeup artist. It is. I'm so sorry I don't work Sundays. That's okay, no problem. Thanks anyway. 20 minutes later. Also, good luck with your, in inverted commas, good luck with your career. I've given you 1 year's notice and you don't work Sundays. I'm dead with all these like laughing faces. Plenty of people who do makeup will be happy to make close to 2K for working a Sunday and gain my business. Cheers. Won't get filed that attitude, hun, with an in capitals with an X.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Was the condescending like stuff she was saying, like,
yeah.
like good luck with your career.
You don't want to work a Sunday.
What?
You don't want to work a Sunday.
Yeah, like,
that's up to you.
not
That's
obligated to a day.
ultimately your freaking choice.
I was like in shock and I was so angry. I just wanted to go back and be like, you can get
Thank God I'm not doing your fucking makeup.
Yeah. Imagine her as a bride.
Exactly.
Don't
Oh my
it.
God, imagine.
Do the white liner. So doing the white liner is just going to add a little bit of light and then make your eyes look bigger. I'm using MAC Peach Stock by the way right now. Hey, we're pretty much done.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
So this is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to follow Brody on all of her socials, I'll link them below and tag them here. And like and subscribe to my video, to my channel, and like my videos, guys. It will really support my channel. And I can show you guys more of these looks if you want to see these looks. We can get Brody back in to show you another look, all that kind of stuff. Leave your comments below if you do like these videos, and if you want to see some more, let us know. We'd really appreciate it. Bye.
Bye.